Okay, good morning, children. So we'll start with the same book, First Flight. Okay. So page number 50, you please open. So in page 50, the author explains why she preferred to keep a diary. Okay. So first of all, she had no friends, or she admitted that she was not a child who was able to mix with others. Number one. Number two is that she did not like to have small things, silly talk. That's why nobody wanted to be her friend. So these may be two reasons. And though there were 30 people around her whom she called as friends, but nobody was a real friend with whom she can share her heart. That's why she preferred a diary as a friend. So this much we have done, page number 50. So on the surface, I seem to have everything except my one true friend. All I think about when I am with friends and having a good time. So except a friend. Actually, a friend is with somebody with whom you can share your secrets. But she had no such friends. So she is telling that I had no friends of that type, but I managed because I had a diary to write down my feelings. She's telling. Okay. I think about when I am with friends is having a good time. I can't bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary everyday things. So what are the ordinary? About the common things. For example, what did you eat? From where you purchased this dress? So all these things people remember. But she preferred some good things, so nobody was her friend. I am with friends is having a good time. I can't bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary everyday things. So she hated to talk about ordinary things. Who? Annie herself hated. Okay. Isant, who hated to talk about ordinary things? Can you reply? Isant. Isant, please reply. Some are making the camera on and vanishing. It should not be. Please attend class. Okay, children. Isant is there. Okay, reply me. I am asking a question. Why she was not able to have friends? Okay. No reply means you are not there. Okay. Except my one true friend, and I think about when I am with friends. So she had 30 people around her. So not a true friend. 30 people around her. 30 people around her, but not a true friend. Why? She had given two reasons. Number one, it may be her inability to mix with people. Second reason is that she was not interested in common things, to talk without common things. Okay, maybe it is my fault when we don't confide in each other. Confide means to tell personal things. Confide. Confide is to tell personal things. Okay. She thought that as she is not telling anything personal things, that's why nobody wants to be with her. Maybe it is my fault. That is just how things are, and unfortunately, they are not liable to change. Liable means subject to change. Liable. Liable is subject to change. Liable is subject to change. So she was a girl of that nature. She does not want to share the personal things. That's why most of the friends they talk about personal things. She is not able to share. This is why I have started the diary. So she made diary writing a hobby, rather it became a passion with her. How to write the everyday affairs because she had no friends and she was not able to make friends at all. To enhance the image of this long awaited friend in my imagination, I don't want to jot down the facts in the diary. Jot down means to note down. To note down or to write down. JOT jot. So she is not glorifying the friend. That is the diary. And like an ordinary friend, she is dealing here. But she is also writing down the important things. So what she did, she named her Kitty. Kitty is the name. Name given to the diary. So Kitty is the name given to diary by the author. Okay. So then some questions are there in page number 51. You please see what makes writing in a diary a strange experience for Annie Frank. Who can tell what makes writing a diary strange experience for Annie Frank? Who will tell? Okay, anybody can tell? Anybody? Okay, who can tell this? What makes writing in a diary a strange experience for Annie Frank? Who can tell? No reply. So Annie Frank was not in the habit of writing the diary, and she was also not having confidence as a good writer. But she wrote the diary as there was no option for her. Why? Because she had not a close friend. Why does Annie Frank want to keep a diary? Because words speak more than the words have more memory than the people. That's why she kept a diary whom she addressed as her friend and went on writing. Why did Annie think she could confide more in her diary than in people? So that was her weakness, that she was not able to confide to the friends. Confide means to tell the personal details to a friend. That's why she preferred to write them in a diary. Since no one could understand a word of my stories to Kitty, if I were to plonk right in, I had better provide a brief sketch of my life. So because that is the most confidential friend you have. Confidential in the sense no one will know about the things you discussed with your close friend. That will be kept a secret by the diary. Much as I dislike doing so. So she disliked being noticed, being read by others. That's why she preferred the diary as the ultimate weapon to express her feelings. Okay, any doubt is there? Page number 41, 51 I am teaching. 51 you please open. 51.
Yes, sir, opened.
Okay, 51. Any doubt is there? Isadeep, no doubt. Anushika, no doubt. Garima, no doubt. 51 page number. Please open. Okay, no doubt. Yes. So she starts now writing about her own biography. How she started her life and how she experienced the invasion of the Nazis and what atrocities they had to tolerate under the Nazi regime, and how was her family, how was her father, mother, her teachers, etc. So she is describing now in page number 51. So page number 51 you see. Okay, page 51 you see, since no one, so why that became the ultimate, yes, Sadhana is replying. Yes, correct, Sadhana, your answer is correct. My father, the most adorable. Adorable means lovable. Adorable. Lovable father she had, I have ever seen. So she came across many children and seen their fathers, but nobody was as adorable as her father. Means she loved the children most. Lovable father. Did not marry my mother until he was 36 and she was 25. So father 36 means he was a wise man. So he married at the mature age. So when you have money, when you have a house, when you have mental stability, then you get married. If you marry in early age, what will happen? No, it will end in divorce, as most cases are happening. Because in a immature bent of mind, you decide the things. If you marry at the right age, what will happen? You will always take the right decision. That's why maybe he married late, that is 36 years. So my sister Margot was born in Frankfurt in Germany in 1926. I was born in 12th June 1929. So 12th June 1929 is the date when he was born. 12th June 1929 when she was born. Okay, my father emigrated to Holland in 1933. Holland. Emigrated means shifted. Emigrated is shifted. So 4 years after her birth, the father and family moved to Holland. Okay. My mother, Edith Holland Frank, went with him to Holland in September, while Margot and I were sent to Aachen to stay with our grandmother. Because it may be difficult to carry all the children at one time. So two children went with, the parents went and left the two children with the grandmother to take care. Okay. And I were, Margot was sent to Holland, but I followed in February when I was plonked down on the table as a birthday present for Margot. Plonked down means put down. Plonked down is a casual way or informal way of speaking. So this is not in written English because plonked down means kept in a casual way. In a casual manner it was told. I started right away at the Montessori training nursery school. So before standard 1, you are reading nursery. That is called KG also, kindergarten. So she did the same class schooling there. Okay. I stayed there until I was 6, and at which time I started in the first form. So at 6 years, you are eligible to join in standard 1. Before that, you have to undergo the nursery classes, pre-prep and pre-prep like this. So nursery classes means the classes meant for the real schooling, that is training for the schooling. Okay. Okay. In the 6th form, my teacher was Mrs. Cooper's, the headmistress. At the end of the year, we were both in tears. We said a heartbreaking farewell. So she remembers her headmistress. Okay. So the name of the headmistress was Mrs. Cooper's. The HM of the author. She loved the author so much that when the session ended, when her schooling ended, both were in tears. Okay. In the summer of 1941, grandma fell ill and had to have an operation, so my birthday passed with little celebration. For us, birthday carries no meaning, but in foreign country, birthday means a lot. They celebrate with splendor, with fun, with excitement. But what happened due to the sickness of the grandmother, the birthday party was not celebrated because she underwent one operation. Okay. Grandma died in January 1942. No one knows how often I think of her and still love her. So, because she was an introvert child, introvert means not expressing her feelings to others. So, her love for grandma was not known to anybody or not shared by anybody. Nobody could know that she loved the grandma so much. This birthday celebration in 1942 was intended to make up for others. Intended means desired or was meant for. Okay. And grandma's candle was lit along the rest. So it was felt that grandma should be remembered. That's why in the 1942, when her birthday was celebrated, a candle was kept alive, kept burn by its side to remember the grandma. The four of us are still doing well, and the brings me the present date of 20th June 1942 and the solemn dedication of my diary. Solemn means calm and purest. Dedication of my diary. Okay. Dedication means commitment for a cause. Okay. So, did you follow this? So, why does Annie provide a brief sketch of her life? Because she wanted to introduce herself and her friends to all the readers. The readers have a first-hand experience of her family and friends and the background, etc. That's why she gave a brief sketch of her life. Okay, Garima, by providing the, yes, Garima, Maya, Manvi, others. Okay. What tells you that Annie loved her grandmother? What tells you? Okay. So in the before last two paragraphs, you see, no one knows how often I think of her and still love her. This sentence tells that she loved the grandma greatly. She loved her greatly, which was told in the just before last paragraph, the one but the last, you see, before the last, the line, no one knows how often I think of her and still love her, shows this. Okay. Then third question, only two questions are there. First one is, why does Annie provide a brief? So you please note down in the her notebook. After every answer, question answer, you please write down. In case school opens, you will check. Okay. Then let us open page number 52. 51 is a full over. No, 52 will open. Page number 52, you please open. So in page number 51, a brief biography, life sketch of her is given. So page number 51 tells about her life biography. So she was born on 12th June 1929. Okay. So it was German occupied Frankfurt, but they immigrated to Poland when she was 4 years old. After 4 years, so she had her education there, that is preschooling and first standard. So she remembers her headmistress, who was very fond of her, because when they departed, they were both in tears. And she also missed her grandma, who died in January 1942 because she had an operation. So in order to keep her birthday memorable, a candle was also kept lit for grandma as a fond remembrance, as a lovely remembrance of her presence in the house. So they were nice and on 20 rest of this she is dedicating hours in her diary. In presenting, dedicating means presenting. Page number 52. Dearest Kitty. So as I told you, dearest Kitty is the address made to her diary. So as I told you, the kitty was the address. It was an imaginary name. Nobody in the name of Kitty survived. She gave name to the diary and proceeded, made her the best friend. Dearest Kitty, our entire class is quacking in its boots. So shaking with fear. Quacking in boots. Expression for fear. What is the reason for fearing? Because, okay, the reason of course is the forthcoming meeting in which the teacher decide who will move up to the next form and who will be kept back. That is the result. Because some children we promote, some we detain. Detain means they have to remain in the old class. So the children were all terribly afraid because no one knew who will be detained and who will be promoted to the next ward. So the sentence quacking with fears is being described. Quacking in boots means shaking with fear. Why? Because the promoted or not promoted or detained will be written in the progress card. Detained means you have to study in the previous class one more year. That's why they were all very afraid. Okay. Half of the class is making bets. Bets means putting bet, you know, how whether you will win or lose for money or something. GN and I laugh ourselves silly at the two boys behind us. GN may be the nickname for a boy or a girl. GN, initial words of the name of the friend. As CN and Jacques who have staked their entire holiday saving on their bet. Staked means they have put. Staked means put. STAKed means they have put their entire saving in that. Staked means endangered also. Because there is danger, if you lose the bet, all your money is gone. If you win, you will get back. If you lose, all the money is gone. So they have taken the challenge. Okay. From morning to night, it is you are going to pass. No, I am not. Yes, you are. No, I am not. Even G's and pleading glances and my angry outburst cannot calm them down. So the regrets, angry outbursts that why are you troubling me? Why are you asking me? This also did not stop them because you know children, whatever enters into their head, they will proceed accordingly. Pleading means requesting glances and angry outburst, angry reaction did not stop them from doing so. If you ask me, there are so many dummies that about a quarter of the class should be kept back. Dummies means idiots or fools. Dummies. Here, what expression instead of fools, we will tell less articulate. Less articulate. Less articulate child. Articulate means intelligent. Less articulate means not so intelligent. So they will be kept in the previous class because of their performance. Okay. Quarter of the class. Quarter means 1/4. Okay. So 1/4 of the class should fail. If you go by proper standard, means the class was not a good class. 3/4 were eligible to pass, but 1/4 should fail. That was their standard. She is telling. Okay. And teachers are the most unpredictable. Unpredictable means do not know what they will do next. Unpredictable means cannot predict, cannot tell. Unpredictable, which cannot be predicted. Predict means to foretell. To foretell what is going to happen. But according to her, the teachers are the most unpredictable creatures. They talk sweet words, but while giving marks, what they have given, they only know. That's why teachers are the most unpredictable, means about whom nothing can be predicted. Unpredictable, single word, about whom nothing can be predicted. Predicted means, prediction means to tell about future, prediction, noun. Predict is verb. Predicted, which cannot be told. So about teachers' attitude, teachers' way of giving marks, and result cannot be predicted, cannot be foretold. Foretold means telling before. It cannot be told. So 50% class of their afraid, they might have failed. So what they are doing, they are betting with each other, and some are trying to avoid, but they are not being allowed. So these children, because that class was a dummy class, and according, if you go by a good standard, only 50%, sorry, 3/4 will pass and 1/4 will fail. That was the standard of that class. That's why she tells, my class is a dummy class. Dummy class, nearly 1/4 children of that class, they do not deserve pass. Means they should fail. They should fail. Okay. Clear? Any doubt is there? Okay. Any doubt is there, children? First paragraph is over.
No, sir.
Doubt is there? No
No,
doubt.
sir.
No doubt. Shibani, Melvin, no doubt. Clear. Now, second paragraph. We will go. I am not so worried about my girlfriends and myself. We will make it. The only subject I am not sure about is maths. So, nowadays, the word girlfriend, boyfriend, they are taken in a very, what you call, a very different meaning. But at that time, it was, children were pure and honest. So the word girlfriend means my friends who were girls. Boyfriend means my friends, those who were boys. So nowadays we are taking it in a very narrow sense. Okay. So she honestly admits that among her friends. So she had, they had no problem, only they had a complication with maths. So maths was something which they were afraid of. Because you know, maths is systematic study. If you don't understand in lower class, you cannot understand in higher class. This is scientific, systematic. Okay. So, and exact. 2 plus 2, wherever they are added will make 4. Meaning will not change. Result will not change. So, math is the most certain which the children were poor, and they were all afraid about maths. Anyway, all we can do it is wait. Until then, we keep telling each other not to lose heart, consoling each other, telling each other, consoling each other. Trying to give courage to each other, consoling. Telling each other means trying to console, to give courage to each other. Okay. Not to lose heart. Don't lose heart. They are telling each other. But everybody is losing the heart. Okay. I get along pretty well. Get along means to continue, to proceed. Pretty well means nicely. So she had no problem with the friends, with all my teachers, with friends and teachers. Get along means to adjust, to accommodate. Get along is a phrase to adjust, to accommodate, to go with the, to go with others. So she had no problem with any teacher. There are 9 of them, 7 men and 2 women. Mr. Kissing, an old foggy teacher who teaches math, was annoyed with me for ages because I talked so much. So old foggy means old fashioned teachers. Foggy means old fashioned teacher. So old fashioned teacher was there. He was not like other teacher means teachers know in the olden days they were not friendly with the children. They want to reserve themselves and they always order. If a child will do some mistake, they will not excuse. Nowadays teachers have become friendly. The teachers have become friendly. Earlier it was not like that. They were very strict, and if any order is not obeyed, immediately they will punish. And the punishment was very harsh. Nowadays teachers have become friendly like friends. So the situation has changed. But the mathematics teacher was not like that. He was also a very old and conservative teacher. Okay, so she was talking too much, so he gave her name Chatterbox. So he told her, "You write one extra homework, an essay on Chatterbox," because she herself was talking too much. A chatterbox, what can you write about it? I would worry about that later. I decided, I jotted down the title in my notebook, talked it in my bag and tried to keep quiet. Talked means keeping like this. So the teacher became angry with the author for talking too much. So he told, I am telling you one extra task. What is that? You have to write one essay on a chatterbox. A chatterbox means one who always goes on talking. So because the author was talking too much, the teacher told her to do one assignment, to write an essay entitled, the title of which is Chatterbox. Clear? So she had no difficulty. She wrote the title and carried it home and tried to keep quiet because she became conscious. Because I am talking too much, my teacher is telling me Chatterbox. So I will talk less so that this title Chatterbox will go from me. Okay. Any doubt is there? Tell me.
No doubt.
No doubt. Very good.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, just I will note down the presence attendance. You don't say anything. I will call and take. Okay. From 10th B and A will start 10th B. Adhok Saj is there. Adhok Saj. Ajay. Alisa. Ansmina. Anurag. Anushika is there, I think. Arpita Mina.
Yes, sir. Anushika Parmar present.
Ashish. Atharv. Atharv I had seen, I think. Ayush not there. Bharti present.
Present, sir.
Himanshi. Himanshi present. Himanshu.
Present, sir.
Okay. Ipsita. Jasmine. Karisma. Kuldeep Singh. Lina. Lina I have seen. Manisha. Okay. Manvi Wadhwa. Melvin present I have seen. Haider Khan. Nandini. Partharaj present I have seen. Okay. Pragya is there today.
Present, sir.
Okay, nice. Priya is there. Priya.
Present, sir.
Present. Priyanka.
Present, sir.
Rahul. Rajvardhan. Riya. Sabnam not there. Shivraj not there. Suruchi Sharma. Ujjwal. Utkarsh. Bandhan Vyas. Vinit present, I think.
Present, sir.
Yes, not there.
Sir.
Akanksha. Archana Mina.
Present,
Archita I have seen. Bhavishya, I have not seen. Garima, I have
Sir
seen.
Kushag.
Sadhana
Dinisha.
present.
Sir Kushag Srivastav.
Okay, okay. Harshil, Isadi present. Isant present. Joyashree, I did not see. Kusagra.
Present, sir.
Kusagra Pal. Okay, okay.
Sir, Jayashree Meher present.
Kusagra Srivastav present. Manali present, I have seen.
Yes, sir.
Mansi. Manvi present. Maya present, I have seen. Nabnit. Nishant. Paramjit, today she told she will be coming. What happened, Paramjit? Payal, not there. Pragati present. Ritika.
Present, sir.
Sadhana, I have seen. Sakib,
Present, sir.
Sakib, I have seen. Shivani.
Present, sir.
Very good.
Sir, Sadhana present है.
Oh, Sadhana, I have marked present. Subhit.
Sir, Ritika present.
Yes. Vikas, Vinisa present.
Sir, Divyanshu present.
Okay, okay.
सर मेरा तो तनिष्क का नाम तो लिए ही.
Tanishka, which class? 10th A or B?
10th A, sir.
10th A, Tanishka.
सब present, sir.
ठीक है.
Sir, Divyanshu present.
Meher present.
Okay, okay. I have marked present. Okay, children, this much for today. We will continue in the next period. Okay. So meanwhile, you go through the textbook. Any doubt is there, you please send by WhatsApp also. We will respond. Okay. So any other doubt is there, you please post me. Amina, Jayashree, Maya, Ritika, Riya. So she is confiding her diary as a Kitty. Kitty is the imaginary name given to the diary. Okay, Adhok Saj is present. Kitty is the imaginary name given to the diary because she had nobody to confide her heart, so she invented it. Okay. Okay, Adhok Saj. Okay, I have seen. So this one up to page number 51. We have completed. We are going through page number 52. So within 51, any doubt is there, you can ask. 51 within page number 51.
No doubt. No doubt,
No
sir.
doubt. Okay,
No doubt,
children.
sir.
Thank you. Okay, thank you, children.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.